I want us to think in our classes, I think, in our work, in our public institutions, about what we're talking about when we're talking about Reconstruction. A moment of extreme possibility, right, and extreme retrenchment. I want us to think about, and I think it's useful for us to think about Reconstruction as an action verb. Reconstructing. What? Certainly Frederick Douglass here gives us one vision of Reconstruction, the palpable, stormy negative side of Reconstruction. Adam hinted at the palpable potential, right, that African Americans were seizing during this moment of possibility. And I think this is where we need to engage each other and our students, right? Too often, we get trapped. We've all gotten trapped. If we know anything at all about Reconstruction, it is within this kind of, this dry political story. It is a deeply important, moving, complex political story. It's a community story, though. It's a story of labor and economics. It's a story of spirituality. What we tried to do at the Museum of African American History and Culture was to bring the drama back into the story, to make sure that we're thinking about this period as an action verb, right? To make sure that it feels relevant to our questions today, right? And I think it's beautiful that you're talking about Black Lives Matter in the context of the 1870s and the context of 2019.